Welcome back to my channel, people. Brown Boss JA Tours. Yes, people, so we're back at it again, driving through the Fairfield Road here in Montego Bay. So I'll take you shortly to the new renovation that was done to the road on the hill. So we're gonna take the left now, and you'll see, traveling this area before, it was like really bad. I've been traveling this area for over 3 years now, and it has always been broken, a lot of huge potholes. If your vehicle drop in those potholes, everything would have been smashed. So yes, people, so brand new roads being introduced here at the Fairfield section, long awaited, but now it's here. So we can just cruise down the hill and go head to the main road. So we can either go left to go to Tucker, or we can go right if we want to go downtown Montego Bay or Bogue. Alright, people. So yes, people, we have some other things in store for you today, so just stick around while I take you through this journey. So this section of the road right now, it's really busy at times. Sometimes it's hard to pass, but you just have to go out there without fear. Yes, people, so I'm gonna speed up the video a bit so we can get to the main topic. So yes, people, just passing a gang of bikers right now on the road, give him a little courtesy pass here. So we're back at it again, and we're just gonna drive through right now quickly and pass the Barnett Tech section, Vista Print area, Conduent, and we're gonna head to the Westgate section. So stick with me, people. Just driving through on a Sunday right now. Going to the supermarket, but I've actually seen some road repairs being done in the Barnish Street area. So that's a really good look here for Montego Bay, people. Alright, so yeah, we're currently at the Westgate area. We're just gonna go on over the bridge right now. Alright, so we can just pass the Westgate Center and head on to the Barnett Street section here in Montego Bay. Alright, people, and please remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel, Brown Boss JA Tours, so you can receive, fresh updates. Alright, and if you're traveling from the US, Canada, wherever, Europe, wherever in the world, you can just hook me up so I can take you on a tour of the beautiful island of Jamaica. Alright, so you're all welcome to the Jamaica land we love. Alright, people, so we're now in Barnett Street, just driving, and had to stop because there's actually road repairs being done up ahead, so the traffic had to be redirected. So we had to go through Miriam Way and go to Thompson Street. So come with me, people. This section, it's not really shown because it's like off the main. So we're gonna tour that place today. Alright, just trying to show you how that section of Montego Bay looks. Alright, so we're just going across. Okay, people, so yes, Miriam Way here. We have a lot of plazas there. Discount lumber over towards the left, where they sell, hardware items, building block steel, and so forth. Alright, so we're driving now. So alright, just stay with me, people, while I take you on this journey. Alright, unseen areas of Montego Bay. So there is a bakery, Golden Delight. It's on Dudley Cassin Drive. All right, so we're gonna take left right now. If you go right, you can actually go to Mount Salem, go to the Carmel Regional Hospital. So right now we're on Thompson Street, where we would pass the St. James Family Court over towards your right. All right, so you would find this area packed, because persons would have family matters that they want to, discuss in court. Okay, people, so just driving along here on this Sunday. You won't find much traffic, but as you know, we still have taxis going around because persons have to get to point A to point B, right? Yes, people. So even on a Sunday, we're traveling. So right now we're on Cottage Road, and we're gonna take the right now, so we can go to Montego Street. If we would have stayed on the straight path, we would have gone back to Barnett Street. All right, so this is like a back street right now, Montego Street. So yes, people, unseen areas here in Montego Bay. All right, and you're seeing it here on Brown Boss JA Tours. All right, so stick with me, people, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button. All right, so we're driving through. It's a one-way street, so oftentimes you'll find vehicles parked on either side, sometimes even blocking the road. All right, because these drivers here in Montego Bay can be unruly. So as we drive along, you will see like some houses scattered along the sidewalk. These are houses that were here in Montego Bay for a very long time, and some business places would have been erected recently as they try to take over the Montego Bay area. But as you know, persons have to live somewhere, so they will stick here or stick to this community. So we're now in Hart Street. As we drive along, yes, people, you'll find this is a really close area, so you have to be mindful whilst driving. Persons will tend to just walk in the road, so you just have to be mindful of the pedestrians and also motorists as well. Okay, so if you go left, you can go back to Barnish Street. All right, so we're just driving along right now, so we're almost at the supermarket, so we'll stop there for a moment and we'll just head back on to the road, people. Alright, so just driving along, as you can see some abandoned buildings, and there's also a garbage collection towards the left. Towards the left you'll see Bay City, which was formerly Super Plus for persons who were used to that area in Montego Bay long time ago. Alright, so just gonna fast forward a bit and head back out to Cottage Road. Yes, people, so stick with me. So you will see the workmen who are fixing the road or patching up the road. You would see that they have actually moved to this section. We just passed here a moment ago, but we're going to go back to Thompson Street, and you would see where the roads are being repaired. So there you go, people. There's a truck, and they're currently at work, just filling out those potholes, because a lot of potholes here in Montego Bay. So it's really good that some work is being done so as to try to have the area look more pleasing or better for drivers to traverse. Alright, so thank you so much for staying with me, people. Alright, just remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel, Brown Boss JA Tours. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.